ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ചാനലായ സൂപ്പർ ക്ലാസ്സസിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഞാനിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്കായി ഓഡിറ്റിങ്ങിൻ്റെ 20 പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് തയ്യാറാക്കിയത്. എല്ലാവരും ആൻസർ സ്വന്തമായി എഴുതി മാർക്സ് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലേക്ക് പോകാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: an audit which conducted in between two final audit is called option A interim audit, option B internal audit, option C continuous audit, option D administrative audit. Answer: option A interim audit. Second question: silent feature of cooperative audit is option A test audit, option B interim audit, option C final audit, option D cost audit. Answer: option A test audit. മൂന്നാമത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: the word audit is derived from the word option A auditor, option B audio, option C admit, option D none of these. Answer: option A auditor. Fourth questions: the auditor of a cooperative society is appointed by option A government, option B registrar, option C managing committee, option D general body. Answer: option D general body. Fifth question: the duties of an auditor includes option A check the arithmetical accuracy, option B verification of assets and liabilities, option C verification of cash balance, option D all of these. Answer: option D all of these. Sixth question: the book maintained by the auditor for recording the defects found out during the course of audit is called option A audit note, option B audit notebook, option C working papers, option D none of these. Answer: option B audit notebook. Seventh question: which section and rule of KCS Act and rules deals with audit? Option A section 63 rule 64, option B section 62 rule 63, option C section 63 rule 65, option D none of these. Answer: option A section 63 rule 64. Eighth question: the amount payable by a society to government for conducting audit is option A audit cost, option B audit fee, option C audit charge, option D audit expense. Answer: option B audit fee. Ninth question: the work of internal auditor is option A periodic, option B quarterly, option C half yearly, option D continuous. Answer: option D continuous. 10th question: dash is a set of procedure specially designed for each audit. Option A audit notebook, option B audit procedures, option C audit method, option D audit program. Answer: option D audit program. 11th question: detection and prevention of error is Option A, objective of audit. Option B, principles of audit. Option C, programming of audit. Option D, system of audit. Answer option A, objective of audit. 12th question. Test checking is done when there is an effective dash system. Option A, accounting. Option B, internal check. Option C, perpetual inventory. Option D, vouching. Answer option B, internal check. 13th question. Current audit file consists of matters of option A, future importance. Option B, past year. Option C, the year of audit. Option D, current account. Answer option C, the year of audit. 14th question. Civil liability of an auditor implies liability for option A, fraud. Option B, misappropriation of cash. Option C, theft. Option D, misfeasance. Answer option D, misfeasance. 15th question. First auditors are appointed. Option A, shareholders. Option B, employees. Option C, board of directors. Option D, government. Answer option C, board of directors. 16th question. Pre-arranging and coordinating the audit work is called option A, audit planning. Option B, audit program. Option C, internal check. Option D, internal audit. Answer option B, audit program. 17th question. Audit notebook is also called audit. Option A, planning. Option B, program. Option C, memorandum. Option D, activity. Answer option C, memorandum. 18th question. Auditors are liable under option A, Companies Act only. Option B, Income Tax Act only. Option C, common law. Option D, A, B and C. Answer option C, common law. 19th question. Dash voucher is the duplicate of original voucher. Option A, collateral. Option B, primary. Option C, bust. Option D, original. Answer option A, collateral. 20th question. Internal audit is considered as a service to the option A, employees. Option B, management. Option C, auditor. Option D, government. Answer option B, management. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share. Thank you.